Hey everybody, Custommikes here. How are you today? We are in the beautiful sunny California. Make sure everything's working yet. It looks like we have noise going. We are outside Luke DeLay's MarCel's Custom Metal in local California. And I can tell you right now that once we get into the metal building, it's going to be a little bit hard for us to do video. So once it kicks out, and I will film until it kicks me out, bandwidth wise, and then after that I will go to video, and because I want the quality, featuring Luke DeLay's absolutely amazing work. This is the car show outside the back of it. And yeah, I'm doing teaser. Morning everybody, morning Wayne, morning Alex. So we're doing a little bit of teaser from out here at Luke DeLay's place, where the MarCel's Custom Metal is in Norco. I can't tell you where it's at. You're gonna have to call and talk to Luke DeLay himself to get the address. But we are here reporting live from this fabulous place. And if you want to see the other video that we're going to do, it'll be featured on Custommikes Patreon account. Excuse me. And it will be a more in-depth and more detailed. Because last couple of times I filmed in here, we got logged out because of the inside the steel building is really hard to do. I couldn't focus on actually giving you the good coverage. So, yeah, this is a cool little lawnmower. Anyway, so the good video and the longer video will be on Custommikes Patreon account. And just look for Custommikes with one M, like it's supposed to. So this right here is the very unassuming MarCel's Custom Metals. And like I said, I'm going to try to stay, I won't go in depth, simply because it's so hard with coverage from a live perspective. But you have Luke DeLay personal car that he's been working on for quite some time right there. And it actually started, that's that wireframe right there. And you can also see he's built many of the head-filled bodies for Rick Dorr and Hetfield himself. And there's a plethora of those pictures of those cars up there in that. And there's a huge following that comes through this place and celebrate Luke and his accomplishments. And his shaping skills, etc. And there's also a shrine to his dad, Marcel, right on the wall right there. But it's, to me, this is like walking on hallowed grounds. It's just such an experience to come here. Luke has turned into quite a friend over the years, giving me a lot of tips. You know, I'm a beginner in comparison to his skill sets. And that's kind of what the little car he's got is what he started with when he built this replica. Well, it's not even a replica, it's just a tribute to the old Ferrari. And you can see it there. He's bringing it right back. That was Luke right there. So that's kind of what he's going after with his own interpretation, so to say. He's telling the stories everywhere there. Maybe one of these days I'll come back and sit down with him, and that'll be another one of those things for our Patreon channel. There's a few cars he built. They're all Riddlers or AMBR rides. They're all been hand shaped with these tools that you see around here. So anyhow, so this is just a quick little overview of the MarCel's Custom Metal open house in Norco today. Hey, we got my friend there. There's the guy with that blown F-150. made it here. So come on in. Yeah. So yeah, who's here, and there's going to be people coming and going all day long. Oh, I got to sneak in and see. This is cool little car that he's made, sitting on the other side. Also, note the full-size drawing of one of Hetfield's cars, and many others. But that they're working off of it. This little car is kind of cute. So hopefully I won't lose you or it won't deteriorate the signal too much. But it's just a handmade little pedal car. Such a gorgeous work. Well, I'm going to try to give you a different perspective. Yep. Okay, so I told you that would happen once we get in the building. I'm sorry for that. So what we'll do is I'll do filming in here just off, not live. And like I said before, that'll be shared to our Patreon channel. Just look for patreon.com/Custommikes with one M. And if you want to sign up, that would help us a lot. Appreciate you guys. Love you all. Thank you so much for hanging at Custommikes. See ya!